This solid scales forklift basic is the reasonably priced entry-level model for simple weight determination in loads of up to 2,000 kilograms. The hand fork cart is ideal for weighing procedures when no precise measurement accuracy is required. For example, incoming inspections, ascertaining dispatch weights, or the general avoidance of HGV overload. Weight result display is in 5 kilogram increments up to 500 kilograms, and above 500 kilograms in 20 kilogram increments on the scales display. Please observe the measuring tolerances, which are stated in the product description. 2 standard 1.5-volt AA batteries are inserted for operation. Thereafter, 3,000 weighing actions can take place without the batteries having to be changed. For efficient energy consumption, the display switches off automatically after approximately 2 minutes. The LCD display with a character height of 18 mm is situated on the front end of the forklift and can be read glare-free at all times. The scales display and electronics are protected from dust and humidity in accordance with protection rating IP65. The welded construction section steel frame is extremely sturdy and also maintains the maximum load of 2,000 kilograms without deformation. The in-feed rollers ensure the pallets enter easily at all times. The forklift's steering wheels are made of solid rubber and the fork rollers of polyurethane. This high-grade combination of materials guarantees good traction control and quiet running. You have the choice between single or tandem fork rollers. The advantages of tandem rollers are quieter running and simpler travel over uneven surfaces.